Welcome to MBA 6106 Information Technology and E-Business course. I'm your instructor Bharat Bhushan Verma and you can call me Bharat. This is an online asynchronous course with some synchronous discussion based assignments. So you can do the entire course at your own desired schedule and pace, except that for some assignments involving group activity that you need to come together and jointly complete it. All the lectures will be pre-recorded and will be made available on the weekly D2L pages. There will be two weekly office hours every Wednesday, one at 5 p.m. and another at 9 p.m. You can choose to attend any one of them, but once you choose a particular slot, I would strongly advise that you attend the same slot each week for the rest of the course. What will we do during these sessions? During these optional sessions, we will have a platform for you to seek clarification on course concepts, which I can elaborate or maybe record additional videos if required, or provide additional material to understand it better and understand the assignments better. Besides that, you can share any feedback and understand the expectations for the upcoming submissions. In case you're not able to attend 5 p.m. or 9 p.m. Session, you can send me a message via Teams to schedule a one-on-one meeting if required. All these meetings will be recorded. So let's talk about the course. This is very exciting and a demanding course to study because the landscape is changing very fast. So same course offered a term apart would have significantly upgraded content and new case studies. So today the information technology is central to how organizations transact and compete. Information technologies can be a source of strategic advantage. Now this information technology encompasses information systems which bring together the various technological components to enable a business process and which result into technology enabled strategies, something that you can only do with the creation of the information systems. Besides that, there is a foundational layer of hardware, software, data, and networks. So these 6 elements together form the first half of the course, where we delve and understand these elements better. And then we look at the use and application of these foundational building blocks in business context. So now the information systems which are developed and designed using the foundational components are becoming smart and sentient, almost mimicking human intelligence, which is enabled by the advances in machine learning algorithms, advanced analytics, big data technologies, cloud computing, cybersecurity, Internet of Things, which is nothing but the network of devices interacting with each other without any human intervention. Service-oriented architectures, which is essentially the system specifically designed to act as microservices providing business services within the organization. So a information system for businesses becomes an orchestra of thousands of microservices working together, giving life to the business processes. Blockchains for version control and integrity of transactions, extended reality, which includes augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality. So it creates interesting propositions and value. Wireless connectivity, which has enabled mobility, and robotics. So all these put together have created a completely digital world of intelligent information systems which are getting adopted by the businesses to create value for the customers, which was not possible without these systems. We live in the world of Web 4 technologies, which are intelligent, ubiquitous, and integrated, which allows seamless interaction among humans, devices, and physical world in real time. Of course, there are controls and barriers put in place to ensure the ethical and legal considerations. So new business opportunities are emerging, and at the same time demanding customer expectations are also on the rise. So this course introduces students to the foundational concepts and technologies that support e-business in the rapidly evolving technology landscape. It introduces the students to the strategic use of technologies to develop an understanding of how businesses leverage information technology to improve efficiency, enhance customer experiences, and gain competitive advantages within the ethical, legal, and security framework. So in summary, students will learn that information systems are critical business resources. Technology is changing how people work and collaborate. Information systems affect every part of an organization. And finally, technology enables new business opportunities and competitive advantage. So the study material includes pre-recorded lectures, short capsule videos focusing on one aspect of the information technology, talks by the experts, discussion-based podcasts, microblogs, which are the front runner of the new evolving landscape, or they are the harbinger of what to expect in the in the near future. And case studies, in-depth engagement in a specific type of a business context and the role of information technology in those situations. So using all this material, you're going to complete reviews of the emerging technology, write blogs, take short quizzes which are not graded, but that helps you check how you're doing with the material. And finally, the report based assignments, that is case studies and a comprehensive project. It's a very exciting set of inputs and outputs that we are going to create, and I would be happy if any of you want to showcase your work in the public space, either through your LinkedIn page or your social media page, or your own personal website if you feel comfortable. So it's a very hands-on, engaging course. There is no prerequisite for this course, and specifically if you look at the course objectives, by the end of this course you should know how to analyze the key issues involved in selecting, using and managing information technologies, products and services, evaluate the challenges of designing and executive effective business and IT strategies, explain how digital marketplace forces and emerging technologies influence organizational design, business processes and the strategic responses. Finally, apply relevant theoretical frameworks and concepts to address real-world managerial and technological challenges. The study material for this course includes a free of cost open source textbook, Information Systems for Business and Beyond, 2022 Canadian edition. This largely covers the material which is limited and foundational in nature. This will be supplemented with the other material to understand this foundational material better, which include those latest development section and the additional short capsule-based videos on the concepts. Besides that, we'll be acquiring a course pack from Harvard Business School Publishing, and which will include a pack of 6 case studies that we will be solving and submitting for evaluation. It will primarily be demonstration of how you can kind of take these components of information technology and solve it a business context. Supplementary resources are also free of cost resource. One focuses on the electronic commerce, the strategic perspective, and the other one business computer information systems. So I invite you to engage and delve in this material and apply this in the real world situations. There will be a lot of flexibility given to you to choose from what you want to do as part of your assignment or what specific piece of technology you want to work on. So I look forward to having you all on this journey of information technology for e-business. See you all during the live weekly sessions. Thank you.